Today's question is the ratio of, this is a question from sequence and series of class 11 chapter. So this is the ratio of, the sum says the ratio of sum of n terms of 2 AP is 3n plus 1 is to 4n plus 3. Find the ratio of their mth terms. Now, how we have started? I wrote that let A1 and D1 be the first term and the common difference of one of the AP. Okay, and A2 and D2 are the first term and the common ratio of another AP. So if I come to the sum of the series, ratio of the sum of n terms of the two series will be n by 2 within bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d1, right? And the ratio, the denominator will be n by 2, 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. Now, if I can, I can cancel the n by 2 from both numerator and the denominator. Now, the equation, the expression comes, the fraction comes as 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 by 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. I can divide this numerator and denominator with 2. Then I will get a1 plus n minus 1 by 2 d1 by a2 plus n minus 1 by 2 d2. Now, why I have done this? As because we have to find out the ratio of mth term of the series. Okay, so now the mth term, if I think about the mth term of the series, it will be actually, this is the ratio actually, a1 plus m minus 1 into d1 by a2 plus m minus 1 into d2. Okay, so if I compare this one with the sum here, now this sum I can change to the ratio of the terms by comparing both, n minus 1 by 2 equals m minus 1. Okay, as because the other expression, other terms are a1 and a2 respectively, as it is in t1 and tm and tm dash. Okay, so a1 by a2 I have already got, but I need to compare m minus 1 with n minus 1 by 2. If